Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable fee tracking with Mint alternatives like Monarch Money step by step clearly. To enable fee tracking with Mint alternatives like Monarch Money, begin by opening the Monarch Money app on your device. If you haven't created an account yet, sign up by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Accounts to view your linked financial accounts. If you don't have accounts linked yet, click on Add Account. Search for your bank or financial institution in the search bar. Enter your login credentials to securely link your account. After linking, return to the Accounts section to view your financial data. To enable fee tracking, go to the Settings option usually found in the side menu. Within the settings, look for a feature labeled Fee Tracking or Manage Fees. Toggle the fee tracking feature to the on position. You may need to customize your fee categories based on your preferences. Select the categories that you wish to track, including things like account maintenance fees or transaction fees. Make sure to save your settings before leaving this menu. Monitor your account periodically to see tracked fees under the dashboard section. You can also set up alerts for significant fee changes by navigating to the Notifications settings. Adjust the notification preferences to receive alerts via email or push notifications. Finally, review and analyze your fees monthly to identify trends and make informed financial decisions. This process will help you maintain transparency and control over any fees associated with your accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.